If you are managing this particular project, you might actually be working for another person. Yes, after your KYC have been approved and your token migrated, I tell you, a lot of people will be surprised that after their token have been migrated, their token will go into thin air because some scammers are already targeting a lot of people mining Rubi token. Yes, if you're able to watch this particular video to the end, I'll be sharing with you some precautions that you need to put into place so that you will just not be working for other people. How on earth will somebody mine for go 3 to 1 year? Like for me, I've been mining for some months, and at the end you discover that some scammers just sit somewhere and they just defraud you of your token. So you just need to watch this particular video to the end. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other video. So for you to know if you are not actually affected by these things called the Trojan wallet, actually the Ruby team has actually been bringing a lot of updates, but a lot of people, I guess that they are not actually reading or not looking at a lot of updates that they have actually been sharing, and that is why I'm creating this video so that a lot of people can actually know and get to know what is at stake for them. Look at this particular post on the Ruby app. You can actually log in on your Ruby also to look at it. So look at it, they say Trojans alert, report Trojan wallet. Now let's tap on it. Let's look at what this particular update entails. Look at it. Protect your Ruby mining from strange wallet created illegally in your mining account. I'll share it with you, but calm down, you just need to watch this particular video to the end. So dear Ruby mainly miners community, we officially announced the opening of the portal form to report strange wallet, Trojan wallet that were not created by you. Listen to that statement, that are not created by you but appear in your account, possibly planted by asset theft. You know, if you watch my previous video, I say something about an attack, a siphoning attack that happened to the Ruby ecosystem during March to April. Yes, it was an attack on those that were mining Ruby, and they actually got a good number of some certain people. So that is why some KYC, that is why the KYC and migration of the tokens has actually been delayed. But hopefully before the end of this month, the KYC and migration will resume, and that is why they are sending us this notification. So what is a Trojan wallet? Look at it. This is the meaning of this Trojan wallet. Let's break the grammar down. If you find new wallet in your account that you did not create, it is very likely that these are Trojan wallet created by thieves, so that when migration is open, can you see that? So when migration is reopen, they can secretly move your mining asset to strange wallet whose key they control. Now they know that the private keys are not with them. Immediately you migrate this your token from your from where it is and you migrated to your wallet, those people overnight they can just send the tokens and send it to a wallet which they have, and this is what you just need to do. In the worst case, your assets have been stolen by wallet Trojan. The mine assets have been transferred from this wallet. You need to immediately send a report to request a wallet block, preventing the thief from conducting the theft when the migration is open. So this is what they ask you to do. You have to log in your Ruby mobile app. If this is you find yourself in this particular situation, so submit a report at the official. This is a Google Doc. You just tap on it. It will take you for you to fill some certain information. And notice when using the form, this form requires you to log in Google to authenticate the report sender anti-spam. Each Google account can only send a report once. Do you get that? You can only send a report once. So please check the information carefully before pressing the submit button. You can access, so these are all their social media link where you be, and this is the deadline for everything. The deadline for receiving the report is July 31st, 23 at 23:59. After this time, the Google form will be closed and all wallet confirmed as Trojan will be locked or marked to refuse to confirm transaction on the system. So take action immediately. So we call for cooperation for the community to report the removal wallet created by thefts on accounts that have been attacked by siphon to protect your own mining achievement, contribute to purifying the network, preventing digital set theft. So this is what they are actually saying. I've created a lot of videos about it. So you move down to wallet section here, you tap on this wallet section. Like for example, now the one I have, I was the one that created it. So like this one, I was the one that created it. I have my seed phrase with me. So if you see a kind of wallet like this and you are not the one that actually create it, the best thing, report this particular wallet and you have to create a new one. So you can see here, you can add a new wallet here by just tapping on this plus icon. Then it take you to the process of creating a new wallet. And if you are the one that created the one you are actually using, meaning you are say, you just have to tap on this. You could see this is the amount of ruby I have in that particular wallet. So these are just the things you need to know for you to actually be careful about all these scammers, so that your hard-earned work will not be taken by other people. If you have anything to share or you have any comment, please kindly drop them in the discussion in the comment of this particular video. And don't forget to like, click on the bell notification. And if you need Ruby for your KYC, I'll be dropping my WhatsApp community link in the description and also in the comment of this particular video. You can actually join and get your Ruby at a very cheaper price. Thank you and bye bye for now.